And you finally made it to Salzburg to the Sound of Music tour. Make some noise! But you guys know it as the Do Re Mi Bridge in the Sound of Music. With her guitar, and that is the yellow wall in front of which the Nazis were lurking in the dark, waiting for the Von Trapps to sneak out during night.
She does a bit of a thing like this with her suitcase and her guitar, then like this, and it starts walking with confidence and hopping and dancing that way. You guys remember that? There was a second gazebo. The second gazebo was a half gazebo they built in Hollywood for the dancing sequence of
Far long way to run. So a needle pulling thread, a needle pulling thread. See a drink of jam bread, bring us back to town.
Remaining fossil Latino, so don't.
the Pegasus Fountain where the kids and Maria dance around, singing Do Re Mi. Behind you are the very stairs where Julian hits the highest note indoors.
I lived out my childhood dream by going to Salzburg to check out the location of the filming sites for The Sound of Music. We ended our tour in Mirabel Garden. Yay, so grateful I'm here. Thanks for being here, guys.